Time is ticking for the 44 men and women aboard the ARA San Juan. The Argentinian submarine has been missing for almost a week, and we're now reaching a crucial point. According to experts, this type of vessel can only last 7 to 10 days underwater without resurfacing for oxygen. The sub disappeared while en route from Ushuaia to Mar del Plata, reporting an electrical failure just before losing contact. Authorities now say they're investigating a noise detected just 3 hours after the San Juan went missing.
Today we received official information that on Wednesday the 15th, in the morning, the noise coincided with the operating area and the last recorded position of the submarine.
Families of the submariners pray for the swift return of their loved ones, but their hope is wearing thin. On Tuesday, a similar noise turned out to be unrelated to the sub.
The thing is that the official update is always the same. They never find what they are looking for. They found beacons, but they weren't from the submarine. They saw something else, and it wasn't from it either. So there are just increasing doubts, and no one knows what to do.
Navies from 6 different countries have lent their support to the search and rescue operations. Ships and planes braving storms in search for the lost vessel, scouring an area roughly the size of Spain.